What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another price update, price prediction on Terra Classic. As you can see guys, it's been quite volatile over the last couple of days, and right now this is the value it's currently trading at and has pumped up just about 4% in the last 24 hours. Nothing major, but here we can see over the last 5-6 hours it has slowly started to drop in value. So what we're going to be looking at in today's video is it time to buy, is it time to sell, or is it just time to hold on to it? And giving you guys my prediction on this crypto over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022, and looking at when its next potential pump is. Is it going to pump anytime soon? Is it worth keeping an eye on for it, or is it just going to keep dropping in value? And also showing you guys what I'm expecting from this crypto. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. But again guys, before I go any further, as I keep mentioning in most of my videos, just to let you guys know, I'm not investing into the crypto myself. Yes, I did invest into it previously, but just before it crashed, but ever since then I haven't invested into it because I don't think it's a sustainable project. But a lot of you guys seem to think otherwise. You're investing into it for the long run. Even in the long run, I'm not expecting much from this crypto anyway. So we can see here in the last hour it has just about fluctuated 0.5% up, over the last day 3%, over the week a massive 20% down, and over the month there is a huge 231%, with major peaks here in very late August and early September as well, all up until the 8th of September, just about 2 weeks ago, where it started to drop in value quite consistently, and it's still ongoing right now. And a lot of people seem to be wondering, when is it going to pump next? Like we've had about 3-4 pumps in early September. So going into the CoinMarketCap website now, we can see the trading volume has gone up by 35% in the last 24 hours, making it just about $800 million in trading, which is still a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Terra Classic. We're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and in general just a lot of people trading the crypto, as it's been getting a lot of attention and a lot of hype recently. So let's get straight into it guys. On the screen we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring up the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the hourly chart, because obviously there's no point looking at the daily chart, because it literally just major red candlesticks dropping all the way down back in May, and yeah, as you can see here, there's no point in doing that. So we are going to stick to the hourly chart. So at the top we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, currently giving us the average value of Terra Classic, which at the moment is here in purple. However, we can see it trading at a slightly lower value here in green, meaning it's not performing too well and lower than expected. So let's zoom in into the 15-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the 30-minute and hourly chart as well. Well, it's still for the short-term traders anyway. But before I get into that, just a little disclaimer guys, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make I will not be responsible for. So zooming in here, we can see the blue line and the orange line are slightly looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction, meaning very minimal gains in value are expected over the coming hours. So I'm talking about over the next 5-6 hours. So by today evening we should be expecting Terra Classic to be trading at a slightly higher value than what it's worth at the moment. Nothing too crazy, it's not going to be a major increase, it is going to be minimal. And moving on to the 30-minute chart over the next 12 to 14 hours, so let's say towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, once again we should expect it to be more or less fluctuating at the current price range. Only reason for that is we've got the blue line looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction, and the orange line looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction. So we do have two lines going the opposite direction to each other, meaning do expect peaks and dips in between, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the neutral side, so more or less fluctuating around 0.002946 cents is what I'm expecting over the next 12 to 14 hours. Now Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, guys, we are not looking too good. We do have the orange line and the blue line slanting towards the negative direction, meaning more drops in value are expected over the coming days. So towards the end of this week, early next week, we should be expecting it to trade at a slightly lower value than what it's worth at the moment. However, that does not mean we're going to be consistently hitting red candles for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. We are going to have green days when it's up, red days when it's down. But at the moment, the overall outcome is what matters, and at this point it seems to be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. So to those of you who are looking to buy the dips, do keep an eye out. However, over the next couple of months and years potentially as well, I'm expecting an overall decrease in value on Terra Classic, so I'm not expecting it to be, pumping. Well, yes, pumps are always part of the process. We are going to see a pump, but it's going to straight away dump back down. There's my predictions on this crypto, and over the next couple of weeks and months, I'm expecting it to gradually, slowly decrease in value over time, and potentially not literally go to zero. But right now, if you look at it, it is worth zero, close to zero, shall I say. And I'm expecting it to get worse over the coming years, unless of course Terra Luna or Do1 himself does manage to come up with a plan where it pumps back up in value or anything like that. But even then, I will not be investing into the crypto. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Terra Classic. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale on the daily, not on the daily chart, on the hourly chart. And as you can see, guys, over the last couple of days, we have been trying to hit the green zone. However, we have always resisted at this resistance line here. As you can see here on the 16th, we tried to break out, but we dropped back down, and we peaked back up again here and then dropped back down in value. So I'm not expecting us to hit the green zone anytime soon. More or less, it's likely we are going to be trading in the red zone for most of this year, and potentially, as I mentioned previously, just keep going down and down and down over the coming weeks and months. But yeah, we may see pumps here and there. Nothing like that is predicted as of yet, and even when it does pump, it's not really sustainable. It's not really strong enough to pump and stay there. It's likely to pump and then drop back down, just like what's happened previously earlier on in August. As you can see, sorry, not in August, earlier on in September. Pumped back up for a couple of days, and right now it's dropped back down. So that's not really a strong project. It's not really sustainable, and that is one of the main reasons why I'm not investing into the crypto. But yeah, guys, that is pretty much it for today's video. Just a quick one on Terra Classic. You guys have asked for regular updates on this crypto, and that is what I have been doing and I will be doing as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. Let me know what your expectations and your predictions are on this crypto, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto, as I've seen a lot of positive and negative comments around this crypto. So comment down below and I'll be reacting to your your comments in my next Terra Classic update. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, and all of that stuff. You know what to do, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Until then, take care and peace.